Children, today we are going to start our third chapter in moral values, and the name of the chapter is hard work. So, let us start our chapter by understanding one story. Aryan and Rob were two friends. Who were two friends, students? Aryan and Rob. They were different from each other. Children, do you know? Aryan and Rob were different from each other. Aryan was very hardworking. Aryan was very hardworking and Rob was easygoing. Means आर्यन तो हार्डवर्किंग है एंड रोब हर चीज को बहुत इजी वे में ले लेता है. तो रोब वॉज इजी गोइंग एंड आर्यन वॉज वेरी हार्डवर्किंग. He would even play and have fun in the classroom. रॉब क्लास में खेलता रहता है एंड फन करता रहता है. आर्यन वॉज ऑलवेज इन कॉम्पिटिशन विथ हिमसेल्फ. एज यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, आर्यन वॉज वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, सो ही वॉज ऑलवेज इन कॉम्पिटिशन विथ हिमसेल्फ. If his performance in the class would go down, he would work harder to give his best. अगर आर्यन की कभी परफॉर्मेंस क्लास में डाउन होती है तो वो और भी ज़्यादा वर्क हार्ड करता है टू गिव हिज बेस्ट. बट रॉब डिड नॉट बॉदर. ही डिड नॉट वर्क हार्ड एट ऑल. ही वुड से, I don't want to trouble myself. Hard work is a big trouble. Hard work क्या है? एक बहुत ट्रबल है. किसके लिए? रॉब के लिए. One day, the principal made an announcement. एक दिन क्या हुआ? प्रिंसिपल मैम ने क्लास में एक अनाउंसमेंट करी. Children, what is that announcement? Some foreigners were to visit the school. Principal ma'am made an announcement in the class. Some foreigners were coming to visit the school. He wanted some hard-working and sincere students to decorate the school. So what Principal ma'am wanted? Principal ma'am wanted some hard-working and sincere students to decorate the school. He also wanted the student team to organize some cultural programs for the guest. What Principal ma'am want? Principal ma'am want the student team to organize some cultural program for the guest. The principal announced the name of the team. Principal मैम ने क्या अनाउंस किया? टीम का नेम अनाउंस किया. आर्यन was to be the head. हेड कौन बना? आर्यन. Why? Because he was the most hardworking boy in the school. सबसे ज़्यादा हार्डवर्किंग बॉय कौन है? आर्यन. एंड रॉब कैसा है? रॉब इज इजी गोइंग. ही इज़ अ फन इन द क्लास. ही इज़ डूइंग फन इन द क्लास. सो दैट डे रॉब वॉज इन अ बिग बैड मूड. वाई रॉब वॉज इन अ बैड मूड? बिकॉज प्रिंसिपल मैम अनाउंस द नेम ऑफ द टीम एंड हु वॉज द हेड? आर्यन वॉज द हेड. He went home and asked his mother, "What fun is this team going to have?" रॉब का मूड बहुत बैड है। वो अपने घर जाता है, अपनी मामा को बोलता है कि इस टीम में क्या मज़ा आने वाला है इन लोगों को। His mother replied, "More than fun. They will come to know so much about the foreign culture and traditions." उनको बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है, उसकी मम्मा बोलती है रॉब की। उनको पता चलेगा कि फॉरेन कल्चर एंड ट्रेडिशंस क्या होता है। इट विल बी अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर देम। रॉब बिकम मोर अपसेट। रॉब और भी ज़्यादा अपसेट हो जाता है ऑन हियरिंग दिस। ही सैड द प्रिंसिपल इज़ पार्शियल। वट रॉब सैड? प्रिंसिपल इज़ पार्शियल। प्रिंसिपल पार्शियलिटी कर रही हैं। He should have taken me. उनको मुझको भी लेना चाहिए था टीम में। I am smarter than Aryan. मैं आर्यन से ज़्यादा स्मार्ट हूँ। To this, his mother replied, "No, son. Aryan is very hardworking, and everybody knows that you don't want to work." And सबको पता है कि रॉब आप हार्डवर्किंग नहीं हो। Who will trust you? आप पर कौन ट्रस्ट करेगा अब? रॉब realized his weakness. रॉब को अपनी कमी का पता चला, उसको रियलाइज हुआ what was his weakness. He went to Aryan and asked him for some work. रॉब आर्यन के पास जाता है and asked him for some work. Aryan smiled and said to him, "You are a good painter." तुम एक बहुत अच्छे पेंटर हो। Why don't you make welcome cards? क्यों ना तुम वेलकम कार्ड्स बना लो। A team of 3 people is coming from France. 3 people from a team is coming from France. If the principal likes your welcome cards, अगर प्रिंसिपल मैम को तुम्हारे वेलकम कार्ड्स अच्छे लगे तो I will recommend your name for the creative arts team. Then I will recommend your name for the creative arts team. Then you will get the responsibility to decorate the school with the team. रॉब किसके पास गया? आर्यन के पास कि मुझे भी कुछ काम दे दो। देन वट आर्यन रिप्लाइड? आर्यन आस्क्ड, "You are a good painter. Why don't you make welcome cards? If you will make good cards, I will recommend your name for the creative art team. Then you will get the responsibility to decorate the school with the team." Do you know, students, Rob got a new life. He drew and painted the whole night. He drew and painted the whole night. In the morning, the principal was very happy to see his work. Why principal was very happy? Because she likes Rob welcome cards which he drew and painted the whole night. Rob realized that hard work always gives rewards. Now, students, Rob realized that hard work always gives rewards. अगर हम हार्ड वर्क करेंगे तो हमें रिवॉर्ड ज़रूर मिलेगा, हमें हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी। एंड विंस एडमायरेशन फ्रॉम एल्डर्स। एडमिरेशन मीन्स रिस्पेक्ट, regards. If we did hard work, then we will definitely get reward, happiness and respect from elders. Rob's work was loved by the guest. Do you know, students, Rob's work was loved by the guests. What are the guests? The foreign peoples who are coming. Okay. They asked him what the guests asked Rob. They asked him to give them some tips. Rob was very happy. Now Rob was very happy. Why? Because Rob realized that hard work is a key to success. And hard work gives rewards, happiness and wins, respect और admiration from elders. So students, जब भी हम हार्ड वर्क करते हैं तो हमें हमेशा उसकी सक्सेस मिलती है, रिवॉर्ड्स की फॉर्म में या हैप्पीनेस की फॉर्म में, या हमें रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है एल्डर से. So hard work is a key to success. Okay students, thank you.